Welcome back, everybody. We've got another video for you guys today, some more upgrades. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you're having good luck with your gardening and all your projects. And without further ado, let's get to today's. I've been busy. We are in the shop and we've got our shelf built for our battery storage. So we've got 2 battery packs up there right now. May do 2 more, one down here and one more down there down the road. But this is where I got them set for the time being. Nothing's wired up yet. We don't have an inverter or any of that kind of stuff. But we did put some concrete fiber wall up on the wall here. And that's where we're going to install the inverter and all that sort of stuff. The breaker box and all the wiring. That way if something happens and it catches on fire, it won't spread anywhere else. So this stuff is fireproof. And then that is attached to 2x4s. You see the screws here. All the screws going down. Those are the 2x4s. And those are bolted to the wall. Out here you can see the bolts and the nuts. So we've got 6 of those hanging that up there, or holding that up there. Hopefully next week we can order another inverter. The one that I ordered was the Grow Watt inverter, and I didn't know exactly what I was doing, and they sent me the European model, and that's not going to work, so I had to send that back. So we'll probably stick the BMS up here somewhere to connect these guys together to monitor them. But we did move everything over. This messy table here was where the shelf was, and then this table here was all the way at the end, and that's what I had the batteries on originally. But yesterday or the day before, when I was taking pictures of it, I noticed the table was about to collapse because the batteries, they weigh over 200 pounds and that table is cheap garbage and is not rated for anything like that. It's meant for like paper and pencil. But yeah, this is some of the progress. Got our charger down there. We can start charging these up in about a week or so. We're going to do 4 cells at a time until they're all charged up, and then we'll put them all in series and let them settle. And we got something else exciting. What is that in the back of my truck? Looks like a pallet of solar panels to me. That's right. I just picked these up. Thank you, Santan Solar. That is where I got these. That's located in Gilbert, Arizona. So if you go online and order some and it doesn't look like they have them in stock, give them a call, because I guarantee you they do have them in stock. I guess they have an issue with their website confusing their Georgia location with Arizona. And I can tell you that when I was there, there were tens of thousands of these things. There were hundreds of pallets of these stacked up on them. So they have plenty of panels. So these are used. They're 240 watt solar panels. I got 20 of them. So that should do the trick for the beginning part here. And yeah, they're a lot bigger in person than I thought they would be. I've never really messed with a full-size panel. It looks like they're about 5 or 6 feet by 4 feet. Let's get a tape measure and find out for sure. Oh yeah, we moved the welding table out here. I'm going to be teaching somebody how to weld tomorrow, or I'm going to try. Hopefully it's not too hot out, but we got that out of the shop so it's not so smoky, because you don't want to breathe in the smoke. It's no good. All right, tape measure. Oh, and we also got some of these blocks together, and I'm going to use these blocks to compress the battery cells. So we've got a bunch of all thread, and we're going to cut that. We'll do that later. Show you guys in another video. Let's get back to this. We can measure these things. I'm going to guess they're 5 feet by 4 feet, something like that. Let's see. So we're going to have to build a pretty big frame system to hold these up. So they are just over 3 feet, so 3 foot 3 inches. I wasn't very close with my guess. And 3'3" wide, and it's really windy, and 5'5" long. So they're pretty large solar panels. They're used, so they're probably a few years old. Let's check out the information on there. So there's the data. I don't know if you can see that or not, it's pretty bright. It says maximum power wattage 240 volts, open circuit voltage 37.2. So we'll get to mess around with these. I'll probably unload these and put them under here somewhere where they can be secure. Looks like they got a little bit of cracking on the back side, which is fine. I knew that before I bought these, that they were used, which shouldn't do anything. So we'll get some of these off and stick one in the sun and test the voltage on it and see what happens. So I'm pretty excited. Things are starting to come together very nicely. So I guess that's all for today, you guys. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, pop those in down below. Give us a thumbs up, and as always, keep building and try to be good to each other. Some of us aren't here for very long, and a little bit of kindness will go a long way. So God bless you all, and peace.